Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called When There's a Will, There's a Way, from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. When there's a will, there's a way. We've heard the saying, if there's a will, there's a way. If you have a desire, Source always has a means to manifest it. If there wasn't a means to manifest it, God wouldn't have birthed within you a desire. If your desire is aligned with God's will, know you always have the wherewithal to bring it to fruition. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this. I believe that when you find what you truly love, like truly love, dig deep, slow your vibrations, and figure out what that is. Not what your ego wants, but what you truly love to do. When you finally let go of things, it's so true. Doors open up. They have been for myself. It's just been unbelievable the last couple of months for myself. Things have opened up. Everything that I've been dreaming of, it happens. And not magical stuff. But I believe that if you slow your vibrations down, dig deep, find what you truly love, follow that. Don't force things. Just let it open up as they do. Just let it be. Let go. Follow love. I believe if you follow love, you'll be happy. I believe that. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.